We do relational discipleship here. Discipleship is this huge buzzword right now in the churches. And it's like, that's sort of why Jesus came, was discipleship. I don't know why it's a buzzword, but we do relational discipleship here. I've been saying that for 15 years. Some of you guys are like, yeah, relational discipleship. Some of you guys are like, what is relational discipleship? So we just keep talking about it here. And the reason we do relational discipleship, I've talked to other guys who are planting churches, and they're like, I'm going to disciple my people. And I'm like, all right, tell me more. And they're like, from the stage. And I'm like, I'm going to choose no on that one. You don't completely disciple somebody by you listening to me talk for 20 minutes and then never seeing me again during the week. That's not what Jesus did. What Jesus did was spend time with his people. He was intentional about pushing into their lives and sharing his life. So that's what we do here at Catalyst. So one of the things I've realized, though, as we've gone through this is when Jesus did relational discipleship, in our culture right now, relationships are hard, right? Like no one's like, I'm not looking next to me. Husbands and wives, relationships are hard. Friends, family, kids with parents, relationships are just hard right now. And there's a few different reasons